I'm going to show you right now, once and for all, how you can add new fonts to Photoshop in 2025. So join me and let's get started. So what we need to do is find a font that we want to add. So to do that, I'm going to open up a Chrome web browser and we're going to go on some websites and find a font that we like. So here I am on Chrome. If you just type in free fonts, you are going to then find many websites which you can use to download fonts from. I always use either DaFont or 1001 free fonts, but there are many websites that offer free fonts. So go ahead and click on any of these and then have a look for your font. So you can use any of these. Just note though, some of these are going to be free for personal use. Some of them are going to be 100% free to do whatever you want with. Others you can only use for commercial if you get a license. So you can filter through these. You can go ahead and have a look at different styles, find whichever one you want. I'm going to just download this one, which is 100% free. So it's called Super Trend. We can click on the font and it will take us to the font window where you can see the author, you can see the commercial use. So this is free for personal and commercial. And you can go ahead and look at the font here and the characters that it has. If everything is all good, click download and it will then download the font into a .zip file. What you can do from here is you can go ahead and unzip that. So go ahead and double click and here you've got your font. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy this and we'll just paste it back in the downloads. Essentially just unzip the file. So once you've got the file unzipped, and here is your true type font file, we can go ahead and double click on this. It's going to show you a preview. You can then click install. And once that has been installed, you can go ahead and close out of this. So we'll remember the font name is Super Trend. Now what we need to do is go to Photoshop. Now in some cases, you might have to restart Photoshop, but I'm going to go ahead and look for the font now. So I'm going to search for Super Trend. And here it is. We've just installed it and now we can use it. So that's how you can add a new font to Photoshop in 2025.